Every Tuesday night, we require that you do a Bluetooth scan after you close. The process on that is you go to inventory, down to inventory adjustment, and count stock. From there, you'll need to make sure that you select accessory as the department, and under the categories tab, you unselect all and select Bluetooth Premium. Very important that we're setting up our scan this way, or else Wireless Standard will require you to scan either more accessories into inventory, or it won't allow you to scan some of your Bluetooths into inventory. From there, we'll click OK, and then we get a message that says stock will be locked once we begin our scan. What that means is Wireless Standard doesn't want you selling anything while you're doing a scan, or else that would throw off the report. Once we click OK, a window pops up. And under lookup is where you begin scanning your UPC barcodes. Two other ways that you could also enter Bluetooths is by the name of the Bluetooth. For example, typing in the product name and then selecting the color that you have in stock and scanning those in. Also, you could type in the UPC SKU code. So for example, 19067 is fabric mini Bluetooth in gray. So you could also enter them that way. And those are best practices if your UPC barcodes are damaged. From then on, you'll just continue entering all the Bluetooths you have in stock. And once you have everything scanned, you will click Post. The document has been saved successful message is what you want to make sure you print screen and post into your inventory chat at the end of the night.